MEXC Global Crypto Investment Platform Review. Usage experience. Links to MEXC Global are in the description below. In this video, I'll walk you through an expert-level review of MEXC Global, covering its key features, who it's best suited for, and my overall experience with the platform. MEXC Global is a crypto exchange that stands out for offering a comprehensive suite of products, including spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, and staking. With over 1,000 cryptocurrencies available for trading, it's an appealing option for those looking to diversify their portfolios. MEXC also has a reputation for low trading fees, particularly in comparison to major competitors, with fees starting at just 0.2% per trade, and the ability to reduce them further by using the MEXC native token, MEX, for fee discounts. One of the standout features is its user-friendly interface, making it a great option for both beginner traders and more experienced users. The platform also offers advanced trading tools like technical analysis indicators, stop-loss orders, and leveraged trading for those who want more control over their trades. The mobile app is smooth and easy to navigate, and its spot trading section is intuitive, which is ideal for new users who want to start trading quickly without being overwhelmed. For experienced traders, MEXC offers futures trading with up to 125x leverage, making it attractive to those who want to take on higher risks for higher potential rewards. The liquidity is strong, and the order book depth provides a solid environment for larger trades. Additionally, MEXC provides staking options for various tokens, allowing users to earn passive income on their holdings. However, MEXC isn't without its downsides. It's not available in all countries, so be sure to check if it's accessible from your location. Security features are strong with 2FA and cold storage for user assets, though it's always a good idea to exercise caution when using any exchange. In conclusion, MEXC Global is ideal for both novices and advanced traders looking for a feature-rich, affordable, and user-friendly platform. Check out the links in the description to explore MEXC further.